Yo, 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 yo! Here's Mr. G coming at you with a video about writing two-step inequalities. Good news about this one is we don't have any key terms. It's kind of nice. So what we're going to do is we're going to focus on word problems, and we're going to focus on writing an inequality from a word problem. Now, very, very, very similar to writing equations or two-step equations from word problems. The only difference is we're not going to have an equal sign anymore. We're going to have a less than or greater than or less than or equal to or greater than or equal to symbol. And there's keywords we're looking at to show us what symbol we're going to use. Okay, to help guide us. So let's look at this first one. So a mountain climbing team is camped at an altitude of 18,460 feet. That's where they're starting at. They're starting at 18,460 feet on Mount Everest. They want to reach 29,029-foot summit within 6 days. So they started here. They want to end up here. And they want to take 6 days to get there. Write an inequality to find the average number of feet per day. So we know 6 days. We don't know how many feet per day, so I'll use F to show feet per day, and we know we want to do it within 6 days. The team must climb to accomplish this objective. So they're taking their starting point, they're adding 6 days of a certain amount of feet each day to get to 29,000 feet. Now the big key term here is within. So within 6 days. So if they want to do this within 6 days, that means they don't want to take longer than 6 days. So if they don't want to take longer than 6 days, then the amount of days is going to be greater than or equal to. Okay? Because if it says within 6 days means 6 days is okay. And then it also means that we want the amount of days to be the largest value because they could take less than, which would be just fine. Okay? And that would tell me how many feet they need to climb to be done within 6 days. Now, second one. Ella has $40 to spend at the state fair. Admission is $6, that's a one-time fee admission, and each ride costs $3. We want to know the greatest number of rides she can go on. So, county fair, $6 for admission, plus $3 per ride, for each ride. And we know she has a total of $40. So we got to figure out which way my inequality symbol should go. Now, really, can she spend more money than she has? No, she definitely cannot. So therefore, the largest value, because this side is money too. This represents the cost and represents how much per ride. So we know that she cannot spend more than $40. So 40 has to be greater than or equal to. 40 has to be the largest number here. She could spend less than $40, so if she ends up only going on one ride, she'll spend $9. $9 is less than 40, which means that she's okay. She didn't go on too many rides, and she can afford that. So we're done there. So that one's going to be less than or equal to. Cool. So, Tomas has run 20 miles so far this week. So he's run already 20 miles. If he intends to run 50 miles or less, how many miles on average should he run on each of the 2 days remaining in the week? So again, he's already gone 20. We know he wants to go 50 or less. So 50 would be the greatest amount, or equal to, because it says he wants to run 50 or less. So that means we want the left side, what we want to be less than 50 or greater than, equal to 50. I'm sorry, we want the left side. I'm sorry, guys. The left side needs to be less than or equal to 50 miles because we want to go 50 miles or less. This left side represents the amount he's going to end up going. Well, he has 2 more days to run. And we don't know how many miles he's going to run each day, so now if we can figure out the average amount of miles per day by solving that inequality. You do not have to solve it right now. Okay, and then the last one. Try this one on your own. So pause it, see how we do, and then hit play again so that you can check your answer. But definitely pause. So video game enthusiast saved $750 to spend on a video game player in games. Maybe you should call it a console. It's better. So the console costs $400. It's a $400 console. Let's call it a, what is that? The new PlayStation, the digital one. It's only 400 bucks. The games cost $49 each. That'd be nice. So $49 each. At most, how many games can the enthusiast buy along with the player? So we know that this person has a total of $750. I also know they can't spend more than $750. That's all they have. So that means $750 has to be the greatest number. They can spend exactly $750. That's fine. But they cannot spend more than $750. So $750 has to be the largest number. Now we got to fill in the left side of how much money they can spend. Well, they buy the console first, plus they get to buy games at $49 each. So I use $49 times the number of games they get to buy, and all that has to be less than or equal to $750 because they can't spend more than $750. And I am done. One thing I wanted to point out too is the order in which you write these does not matter. So, for example, if you wrote this as 2m plus 20 is less than or equal to 50, that works. If you wrote this one down here as $49 per game plus $400, that's okay, as long as the inequality is still opened up towards the 750 and the signs all match, it does not matter. Alright, that's all I got for you. Okay, jot down one thing to remember on your own, and I expect this to be completed for you to get credit for your notes. So jot down one thing to remember, at least. And that's it, guys. I hope this video helped. Get some practice in. If you have any questions, you need to let me know. Reach out. Alright, that's all I got for you. Radius out.